What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time checking out the channel, we appreciate you clicking on that button and checking us out. Whatever brought you to this channel, we hope that we go ahead and give you what you are searching for. Anyways, today we've got a special unboxing. We decided to go ahead and upgrade our powder coating system to the new Eastwood HotCoat PCS 1000. This is supposed to be very comparable to other professional powder coating systems on the market. So we're gonna go ahead and do this unboxing and see what comes in. Real quick before we get started too, I want everybody to know this is not paid for by Eastwood. We did not get a discount or anything. We actually purchased this on our own from Eastwood. So this is straight up from us. I do want to start off by saying I like the way it's packaged. Even this strap is taped all the way around so it can't come undone. I like that it can't slip off, can't get pulled off. Just very secure. That's a good way to pack stuff right there. So the packing so far is great. Right away, we've got little knobby feet to put on the hoppers. That way it kind of grips them to the ground and gives them something to sit on so it's not scratching stuff up. Of course, we have instruction manuals, which we will definitely read at some point in time when we need them, when we can't figure something out. So the first one is a box. And what a lovely box it is. Let's see what's in it. You get to see it before me. That right there is the new PCS 1000 powder coating system gun. This gun is supposed to be...
That looks supreme to me.
Not only is this manufactured and built for use, that they say, but they also said that it's built to be able to handle drops and accidents and stuff like that. So not only does it look good, it's supposed to be pretty durable as well. Are we gonna grab it and throw it on the ground to make sure it does still work? Not right now, but maybe in another video. So make sure you smash that subscribe button because you don't want to miss that video if it happens. Anyway, let's see what we got here. Different tips. I think we're gonna keep this too because it's got each way to go ahead and put stuff in. This is a cleaner, so we can go ahead and clean it out. And of course, different tips for different types of application. That right there I know is gonna be an end tip because that's what actually puts the electrostatic charge onto the powder. From what it looks like, either that needs to be inserted in here or that might be an extra. Yes, there's an extra. Yeah, there's already one in there. So I like this because you could turn the tips and the tips can go up or down different ways. I like that they've got these different tips. It says, caution, high voltage, do not touch emitter rod when trigger is depressed. You would think it would say do not touch the rod when it's plugged in. So let's just start off by taking it apart. And that just slides right out. So yes, there's and there's one tip. And then this tip, I believe you would use probably with those or something like that. Yeah. But that will just slide right in there. Oh, see, look, it goes around there. So these tips are what goes around here.
Oh, okay, cool.
See how that is right there? Yeah. Looks like they got two of that size because that's what it looks like is in there. There we go. I like this tip. I see a lot of people that use this tip right here. I like it because you could turn it that way or that way. This will kind of do round. This will come out in a fan shape. I do see a lot of people doing wheels and stuff with this tip right here. That's what came on it. We're gonna go ahead and keep that on it. So this gun right here, it's light. This right here is all metal. I like the trigger pull on it. Like this right here definitely is a step up from their dual voltage. Got a hook to be able to hang stuff on tight so you can see what you're doing. Oh no, this means I'm gonna have to do that. Don't pull up with no knives because I bring guns to fight. I'm gonna have to do that little...
For TikTok.
Yeah, for TikTok again.
Shout out to TikTok.
Yeah, shout out TikTok. So look, this is another type of tip that goes on there. That looks like some sort of extension or something.
Maybe for the other one.
Yeah, it could be for that. We'll have to see exactly what that's for. On the Eastwood dual voltage gun, it was all wired together. Like you couldn't take the cord off. And another thing is, look at how long this cord is. So I'm saying there's no more pulling the box off of the table.
Yeah, nice.
We'll be able to do all the movements and everything that we need. So,
speaking of that box, it should be in here.
Yes, sir. As a matter of fact, we're going to go ahead and jump on to the next one. So the gun really comes complete, packed very nice. And really, I would think a great place to be able to continue to store your tips and stuff like that comes in it. All right, so this right here is the 5-pound hopper that is a fluidizing hopper. So basically it runs air through it to keep the powder nice and fluffy. That way when you coat, it doesn't come out in clumps. You can get 2-pound ones that are not fluidizing. There's a bunch of stuff that's in it. I'm sure the connections and stuff, because I don't want to ship it like that. This is quite nice. Very thick. Might have to.
Steel.
Yeah, we might have to powder coat it.
Powder coat the hopper.
A handle? Maybe or maybe not. It has a hole all the way through it, but it looks like it could be a handle of some sorts. The plug to plug it in.
Sweet.
The air hose is lined up in there. That's gonna be a fitting. Not that little clamp anymore. And look at how long the cable is. So this has a really long ground, and it's actually got a good clamp instead of some little tweezer thingy.
Yeah, you can't even grip it.
Yeah, you couldn't even really grip it. It kept sliding out of your hand. And then a ground to be able to ground it out.
This is nice.
Yeah, they did a very good job packing this all up. This is the hose. Brings the air into this for fluidizing it and everything. And then, yes, the hose, I'm sure is comparable in length. Nah, there's two of them. Yeah, they've got to go from the hopper to the gun, and then the other one's probably the main one that brings the air from whatever. I don't know for sure. But there it is. And again, long. Yeah. Pretty and once it gets warmed up, it won't have that twist to it. So, you know, we'll be able to hang the gun on stuff, and it just won't be getting in the way like the other one does. The air comes up through there for fluidizing, so that's the bottom of it. That's this. Another wire here to ground that out. Okay, and then we open this box that was in here to O-ring air input for the fluidizing hopper. That's the kind of hitches I wanted to get for the door on the oven.
Wonder what's down here. That's a lot of packaging.
It is. They packaged it very, very well. Very well. Oh. Oh, there we go. And there it is.
Woo, I didn't expect that.
I did not expect that either. It's got the air pressure regulator. It's got the fluidizing pressure regulator, so you can make it fluffy, less fluffy. And then the air pressure to your gun. This is basically going to control kind of how much powder is coming out. And then you adjust your voltage. This right here is what really sets it off. Yep, sets it apart from the other machines besides the gun is the fact. I mean, all of this does, but the fact that you have more than just 2 volts or 1 single volt. You're able to adjust from 10,000 kilovolts to 100,000 kilovolts. And this is going to be able to allow you to put multiple colors. It's also going to stop the Faradayzing effect. I probably said it wrong. Just correct me down in the comments below. This right here will stop that for those hard to reach areas and such like that. So the front of the panel really nice and clean. I like how they've got metal again around this, kind of holding everything together. This is
take
just
this
kind
off.
of put on there, yeah.
All this off with screws, right? Powder coat it.
And powder coat it, yep. And once we know what we know, we don't even need that paper on it. But the back is also great too. So it's got an air input, 50 PSI max, and then it's got an output to the gun, the output to the fluidizing hopper. This is where you plug in the gun to work, your power, and then this is where you want to hook up a ground. And it says a ground wire from the ground stud at the left, this, to an earth ground is necessary for proper operation. So basically you need to be able to hook this to an earth ground, hook it to the building that you're in, hook it to something like that that's, you know, at least 8 feet in the ground that is a good solid earth ground, and that's what that green wire was for. So this is really extremely simple. We were looking at getting a machine that was actually less than this. There's the big tall one. You could hold 50 pounds or something of powder in it, and we were budgeting it to get one. And then in December, Eastwood announced that they were coming out with this in January, and while it was almost double the price, after taxes, shipping, and everything, it was $963 and some change, and that's US dollars. So we paid a little bit more. The other one was right at about $500, and it was a professional one too, nice gun, all of that, but it was just more of the Chinese knockoff. The fact that Eastwood has a 90-day money-back guarantee with this, they also have a 3-year warranty, standard warranty that comes with this. They really stand behind this product. I believe it's going to work for us. I don't see any difference between this and a $2,000 or a $5,000 setup, except brand name, which Eastwood's been around for years, so it's kind of hard to beat that, and the fact that those systems usually can hold more powder. This you just get more hoppers or bigger hoppers, but you can do a lot of things with 5 pounds. So this is it. We're gonna have to do a setup demo video, which is gonna be coming soon. Remember to go ahead and subscribe. If you found any of this information valuable, click the thumbs up button. Help us with the YouTube algorithm. And if you have any questions, please comment down below, ask them. We'll answer them to the best of our ability, and if we can't answer them, we'll definitely call Eastwood and find out for you. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Now let's go check it out. Yeah.